Hello, welcome to Code and Me. CodeandMe.com is a platform where you can learn coding, programming, and various programming competitive questions. As that, today we will talk about beautiful triplets. It's also a hackerrank problem given or created by Shafayat. Uh, in this triplet, there is it's a very simple question, as you can say, too easy to understand but not so easy to solve, because the size complexity is a very much issue in that. So in this beautiful triplets, suppose a person is Erica wants an increasing sequence of n number, and that is stored in an array like a0 a1 and up to a minus 1 in her notebook. And she always wanted to find a triplet that should be like beautiful. If it is beautiful, it must have some mutual conditions, like if that ai aj and ak, this means that three variable ai aj and ak, that three numbers or three, that triplet should be in that increasing format, and the difference of that two, every two. And what is every two? The third minus second and the second minus first should should be same. And if the difference is same and they are triplets, then Erica could say it triplets, beautiful triplets. We have to find, suppose we have a large array or we have a number of elements in an array, we have to find that triplets in a sequence, and we have to count that triplets. Suppose there is a condition that n, this means the number of element, maybe 10,000, and difference should be in 20, and 20,000 is the size of that, the value of that arrow, maximum value for that array. So here it is an input 7 3. This means the number of element is 7, and the difference between triplets value should be 3. So we have to find that number, we have to count that triplets where negative is, where difference will be 3. So the number is 1 2 4 5 7 8 10. So how many numbers are there? We will find that 1 4 and 7. 1 4 and 7, 7 minus 4 3, 4 minus 1 3. So there is 3 difference. So 1 4 and 7, that is one triplet. Then 4 7 and 10, that is two triplet. Then 2 5 and 8, that is third triplet, because the difference is 3. 1 4 7 3 3 3, 2 5 8 3 3 3, 4 7 10, that is 3. So there is three triplets, so output will be 3. So that's how we will solve it, using values, using some new values. And how we will solve it, we will code it like in that code blocks. So suppose we will take an input number of elements, then we will take the difference, how many should be difference for that, and then we will take the dynamic array int n, and we will take then input for elements c in ii. That is very simple, so I wrote it earlier. Okay, so now it's time to find the solution. How we will find, how we will count that? So if we are talking like that, okay, just find it, just find the difference. So it should be a maximum complexity. So what it will be, I will check it. Suppose for int I is equal to 0, I less than equal to n minus 2, I plus plus, and then for int j is equal to 0, and the first value will be 1, because we have to compare the first value to the second value. Not because it's not necessary to first or first to first, because we will always compare. That's not unique loop. Okay, now we will check it. So 1 2 3 4 5 7 8. So here we will compare 1 by 2, then 1 by 3, then 1 by 4, then 1 by 5, then 1 by 7, then 1 by 8. Then we will compare 2 by 3, 2 by 4, 2 by 5, 2 by 7, 2 by 8. We will not compare 2 by 2, 2 by 2 or 1 by 1. Same value cannot be compared, so we will not compare it. So we will take the, because the it's first element, so we will start with the second element here. And why I wrote it I n minus 2, because there should be three triplets, there should be the three values. So the last value will be what, the last value will be, if the last numbers are there, that is, suppose this is 3 4 5 6 7, 3 4 5 3 4 6 7 10 and 13, suppose. So last suppose the last three value is 7 10 and 13. So how we will check the first value, the first triplets, first element of that triplets will be this 7. So how will it is of size 3, or it is a size of n, then it is n minus 1, that is n minus 3. So first element of that triplet will be here, not here or here, it will be here. This means the third last, not second last. So the third last value will be n minus 2. And here we are starting from this, so we will go with this, that is second last. And how it is second last, j is n minus 1, that is second last. Now then j plus plus. Now it's time to check the value. If aj minus ai is equal to d, because we have taken the difference. So if aj minus ai is equal to d, so now we have find the element. Then we will check the third value, we'll check the third variable. For that we will take again a loop. That's not good because we are using it in k is equal to 0, k less than n. So because we are starting from there, so k is equal to 2, because it's 0, it's 1 and 2, so we will start from here. Because suppose 4 and 6 is there, so we will start from 7. Okay, so k2 less than n, and then k plus plus. Okay. So now what will be then we will check if ak minus aj is equal to t. So we will check it. We have taken another variable, that is total is equal to 0. So now we will here total less plus. Now we will check it like that. Okay, so that is the that's how we will solve it in the simplest way. Let me check it's working or not. So now let's check the how it is working. So build it and then run it. Okay, now uh, what I did, I just take an output cout total. Now it's same 7 elements and 3 difference. So 1 2, suppose, then 4, then 5, then 7, then 8, then 10. So there's 2 1 4 7 4 7 10, then 2 5 8, and there should be 3. So okay, it's 3. We will check it. Now we'll check for another variable, that's should be 1 or 2 or 3 or no one at all, like that. Suppose that is 10 variable and we want 5. So here it is 1 2 5 6 7 8 11 12 4 3 2 3 6 3 9 16. So it's 3. How it's 3? We will check. So that's how it will work. Okay. Thank you very much. That's easy. I will not take your time again and again. I will just explain it like how it's working or how it's not working. So suppose for that value 1 2 4 5 7 8 and 10, suppose for that value. So now it will check, it will begin from when here it will give 1, then the next loop 1 will be compared with 2, so it will go to 2 2 minus 1, it is 1, it is not equal to d is, you know that. these five, so these four, sorry, so these four, no, these three, yeah. So these three, so 2 minus 1 not 3, so it's not working. So because it's not 3, so this if loop will not go, then for loop will be again executed. Now j is equal to 2, so the third element is this, so 4 minus 1 it is 3. Yep, it's working. So now we will compare from here. We will compare from here. 4 4, no, it's not comparable. Then 5 4 5 1, not comparable. 4 7, yep, it's comparable. So the first one is counted, so total plus plus. Now we will again it will take the next loop, that is from 2 2 5 8 will be given, then it will take 4 4 7 8 10 will be given, then 5 7 8 10, then 7 8 10. No, nothing will be there. So after that, what we will just count it. Okay, it's total, then total plus plus, here it is. So that's how it will work. uh, you can find more solution here at my site, that is codeandme.com. That is the code. In it is in Python language also. There we have used flag, and we will tell you more about later, because it's taking so much time. So we will tell you about that later. For more hackering problem or any problem regarding coding interviews or competitive questions, you can browse our codeandme.com. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel, that is Code and Me. You can also visit our site, that is codeandme.com, where you can find more questions, more solutions, basic solutions, and a very good learning concepts in different ways. You can follow our path at Facebook, LinkedIn, Google Plus also. This is Seth from Code and Me. Enjoy watching, learn code, and play with it.